Hi guys, me and my shadow here at Springbank Park. Easter Monday 2025, and here are my welcoming guests, Honkers. Hey Honkers, how you doing, Honker? Honk, 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 honk. Honker, Honker 1, Honker 2. Glad to meet ya. Be good, or you're gonna be in big trouble. I'm Canadian. Right on, baby. So yeah, this is Springbank Park, one of our coolest, oldest places on the Thames River in London, Ontario, Canada. Cool. Gonna do a little trail walking, see what there is to see what is to see. We know that finally winter is gone, birds are singing, and spring is in the air. And we're fortunate to have our health. Praise the Lord. Wow, the smell of spruce is amazing. It smells so nice. Summertime is finally here. Summertime is finally here. Thank you. What you gonna do? You gonna nip me? You gonna nip me, buddy?
Undertaker, 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 won't you please drive slow? For that lady you are hauling, Lord, I hate to see her go. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky.
Hi y'all. Happy Easter Sunday, and thanks for going with me on this nice little walk around memory lane to a place I used to visit even in the 60s. This is a little train we used to take. This is a train station to ride around and have fun. I took my kids here when they're little, and I was here when I was little with mom and dad. Lots of memories. Lots of memories. So, remember, stay on track with your fitness goals, and we'll see you later. See you later. Have a good one.